How to change forgotten password on Instagram. This is how you can change your Instagram password without knowing the old one, since in this scenario, you actually forgot it. And all you have to do is click forgot password and then find your account. Make sure that you know your username, or if not, find your friends, ask them about your specific username. If that still doesn't work, you can actually go by mobile number instead, and it will give you a verification code, and then that's it. You can change your password. But if in a case that this two doesn't work, you can actually click need help, and then you will be redirected to account assistance. Here you will be able to see a lot of options you can use to actually log in on your account. For example, maybe your Instagram is connected to your Facebook account. You will be able to open your Instagram using your Facebook one. So if in case you actually forgot everything, your mobile number, your username, your email, and you can't get any access to those, you have to first get access at least on your email, recover it, and then that is how you get started to recover your Instagram. Make sure that you type in everything properly, spelled properly without the unnecessary at or underscores. Make sure that everything is correct in your username to actually find your account to change its password. So you at least have to remember your username if you want to make things easier for you. After that, here I will show you how to recover my account using my username only. Here I tried finding my account using the number method, and I entered my mobile number, and then it sent me a verification code, and then there I saw my account, and that's it. I can now change my password. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.